WealthForge Robo-advisor for investing in this review. What before you? WealthForge is a financial technology company specializing in providing technology solutions to private capital market, particularly focusing on streamlining the process of raising private capital. Their services are geared towards facilitating and managing private payment, ensuring compliance, and enhancing the efficiency of capital raising activities. It is important to note that WealthForge is not a robo-advisor and does not offer automated investment and management services in individual investor. So if you are seeking information on robo-advisor automated platform that provides algorithm driven financial planning services with manual human intervention, here are some reputable options to consider, which is Spotify, Then you can also consider Money Farm, and also you can also consider a lot more, which also Betterment. You can use that. So that's it.